Greetings! How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Ohio, United States. Welcome. I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for investors living in Ohio, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow steps in the video. Yes, in the description section you can use the 20% commission discount link and codes. Yes, there is our website cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all information about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum and others. How to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin in United States, Ohio, videos and articles. Yes, click this button, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can find all informations about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Chainlink, Litecoin and others. Yes, now we need information about Bitcoin. We can click this button, info. Yes, in this page we can get all information about Bitcoin. So easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin in Ohio, United States? Just one click. Let's go.